Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we've got our 2012 Toyota Camry, and on our Toyota Camry we have a check engine light on, and so we're going to read our check engine light, and we're going to go over what the sensor is that may need to be replaced, or will need to be replaced. So turn our key on, have our OBD2 scanner hooked up to the OBD2 connection just under the dash, or right below the steering wheel on the dash here in this car. And then we're in the main menu, and from the main menu we've got the option to do diagnostic, so we'll check the diagnostic, and we've got the key on to the accessory position in the car. It says we have our check engine light on, which we have seen that, so that's why we're here to read the codes, and we're going to read that code. And we've got stored codes, and we've got the B camshaft position actuator circuit, right? And that is a P0013. So there's a B and an A camshaft circuit, and so we're going to go over where camshaft position actuator B is and how you would replace that actuator. And your car will run with this, but it's you would want to be replacing this sooner than later, as soon as you can, so it doesn't cause other issues with your vehicle, because this does communicate with a lot of other parts of your vehicle. So we'll go over where the location is inside the engine bay and how to replace that. So this is where the camshaft position actuator is. Then this is the number B. Number A is back over here, but this is the number B one that we're going to want to go over, and we'll go how to replace it. So first, you're going to want to squeeze this connector together and pull it undone. And with that done, then we've got that unhooked. Then we've got a size 10 here to be undone. With that undone, then we're just going to want to work it out, getting it to rotate some and press it backward. May want to use pull out. You just pull this completely out. So that is the actuator for the camshaft position sensor actuator. So that's been removed. It has a little bit of oil that comes out on that, so that's why I put the paper towel there. Then you would take your new one. We got just enough space in there to be able to rock it in, slide it up in there, make sure that the old O-ring came out with the old one, and then you've got your O-ring on your new one, and then just press it into place. Tighten up your size 10 here. Alright, with that all put back into place, and just snap the connector back together, and now we'll go to the go check it, make sure, and go over the process of deleting the code. So now we will go back to the main menu where we have the diagnostic menu. We've started the car runs, check engine light is still on, and it will essentially go off probably after 4 or 5 times of starting it. But because we know we replaced the part, we'll just go ahead and hit the erase codes, hit yes, and then we hit back there. If you go back into the read codes, stored codes, there's going to be no codes in there. And then just go back to the main here. And then you just want to, turn it off, Start it up again. See that your check engine light still stays off. Yep. And we're still good there. So we potentially have replaced the right part at the moment by reading the codes. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.